First question. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? A. Mitochondria, B. Ribosome, C. Nucleus, D. Endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is option B, ribosome. There are the organelle mainly responsible for protein synthesis. Next question. Which organelle is responsible for cellular respiration? A. Ribosome, B. Mitochondria, C. Lysosomes, D. Golgi apparatus. The correct answer is option B, mitochondria. Next question. Which type of tissues lines the surface of organs and glands? A. Epithelial tissue, B. Connective tissue, C. Muscular tissue, D. Nervous tissue. The correct answer is option A. Epithelial tissue is a type of tissue that forms the lining of organs, glands, and body surfaces, serving as a protective barrier and facilitating functions such as absorption, secretion, and filtration. Next question. Which type of tissue provides support and storage of fat? A. Connective tissue, B. Epithelial tissue, C. Muscular tissue, D. Nervous tissue. The correct answer is option A. Connective tissue supports, structures, and connects body parts and stores fat. Next question. Which type of tissue is found in the heart and blood vessels? A. Connective tissue, B. Epithelial tissue, C. Nervous tissue, D. Muscular tissue. The correct answer is option D. Muscular tissue, specifically cardiac muscle, is found in the heart and smooth muscle in blood vessels. Next question. What lobe is the largest lobe of the liver? A. Right lobe, B. Left lobe, C. Caudate lobe, D. Quadrate lobe. The correct answer is option A, right lobe. Next question. Which cells in the liver are responsible for detoxification? A. Hepatocytes, B. Kupffer cells, C. Stellate cells, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. They are all involved in detoxification as well as other functions. Next question. What is the term for the liver's functional unit? A. Lobule, B. Hepatocyte, C. Sinusoid, D. Bile canaliculus. The correct answer is option A, lobule. Next question. What is the outer layer of the kidney called? A. Medulla, B. Cortex, C. Pelvis, D. Capsule. The correct answer is option B. The outer layer of the kidney is the cortex. Next question. Where do the renal arteries enter the kidney? A. Hilum, B. Cortex, C. Medulla, D. Pelvis. The correct answer is option A, hilum. To the next one. What are the functional units of the kidney? A. Glomeruli, B. Nephrons, C. Renal pyramids, D. Renal columns. The correct answer is option B, nephrons. Nephrons are the smallest functional unit of the kidney. To the next one. Which part of the lung is responsible for gas exchange? A. Pleura, B. Bronchi, C. Trachea, D. Alveoli. The correct answer is option D, alveoli. Next question. What is the name of the membrane that surrounds the lungs? A. Pleura, B. Peritoneum, C. Pericardium, D. Diaphragm. The correct answer is option A, pleura. Next question. Which chamber of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body? A. Right atrium, B. Left atrium, C. Right ventricle, D. Left ventricle. The correct answer is option D, left ventricle. Next question. What is the thick middle layer of the heart wall called? A. Endocardium, B. Myocardium, C. Pericardium, D. Epicardium. The correct answer is option B, myocardium. Next question. Which artery carries blood from the heart to the rest of the body? A. Pulmonary artery, B. Aorta, C. Coronary artery, D. Renal artery. The correct answer is option B, aorta. Next question. Which of the following is present on the surface of intestinal epithelial cells? A. Microvilli. B. Pinocytic vesicles. C. Phagocytic vesicles. D. Zymogen granules. The correct answer is option A, microvilli. Next question. Which of the following organs is known as the graveyard of RBCs? A. Liver, B. Heart, C. Spleen, D. Gallbladder. The correct answer is option C, spleen. Next question. Human heartbeat originates from the EA-AV node, B. ESA node, C. Purkinje fibers, D. papillary muscles. The correct answer is option B, ESA node. Next question. The middle portion of the human sperm contains A. Proteins, B. Nucleus, C. Mitochondria, D. Centriole. The correct answer is option C, mitochondria. Next one. What is the transparent outer layer of the eye called? A. Sclera, B. Cornea, C. choroid, D. Retina. The correct answer is option B, cornea. Next question. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light that enters? A. Iris, B. Pupil, C. Lens, D. Retina. The correct answer is option A, iris. Next question. Which layer of the eye contains photoreceptors? A. Sclera, B. choroid, C. Lens, D. Retina. The correct answer is option D, retina. Next question. What is the visible outer part of the ear called? A. Cochlea, B. Pinna, C. Eustachian tube, D. Tympanic membrane. The correct answer is option B, pinna, also known as auricle. Next question. What structure in the ear is responsible for balance? A. Ossicles, B. Cochlea, C. Vestibules, D. Tympanic membrane. The correct answer is option C, vestibules. Vestibules and semicircular canals are responsible for balance and equilibrium in the ear. To the next one. What is the membrane that separates the middle and outer ear? A. Round window, B. Oval window, C. Basilar membrane, D. Tympanic membrane. The correct answer is option D, tympanic membrane. Next question. What structure regulates the amount of water in the urine? A. Glomerulus, B. Loop of Henle, C. Bowman's capsule, D. Collecting duct. The correct answer is option D, collecting duct. Next question. The condition where the heart beats too slowly or too quickly is A. Heart failure, B. Cardiac arrhythmia, C. Cardiomyopathy, D. Coronary artery disease. The correct answer is option B, cardiac arrhythmia. Next question. What is the term for a sudden blockage of a coronary artery? A. Heat attack, B. Stroke, C. Angina, D. Cardiac arrest. The correct answer is option A, heart attack. To the next one. The term for a condition where the heart muscles becomes inflamed is A. Pericarditis, B. Endocarditis, C. Myocarditis, D. Cardiomyopathy. The correct answer is option C, myocarditis. To the next one. The protective covering of the brain and spinal cord is A. Myelin sheath, B. Meninges, C. Blood-brain barrier, D. Cerebrospinal fluid. The correct answer is option B, meninges. Next question. What part of the brain is responsible for regulating heart rate? A. Cerebellum, B. Cerebrum, C. Brainstem, D. Spinal cord. The correct answer is option C, brainstem. Next question. Which type of glial cell is responsible for myelination in the CNS? A. Astrocytes. B. Microglia. C. Schwann cells. D. Oligodendrocytes. The correct answer is option D. Oligodendrocytes. Next question. Which part of the brain is responsible for processing visual signals? A. Parietal lobe. B. Frontal lobe. C. Occipital lobe. D. Temporal lobe. The correct answer is option C. Occipital lobe. Next question. Which of the following is referred to as the master gland? A. Pancreas. B. Thyroid gland. C. Adrenal gland. D. Pituitary gland. The correct answer is option D. Pituitary gland. Next question. Which gland produces melatonin? A. Pancreas. B. Thyroid gland. C. Pineal gland. D. Adrenal gland. The correct answer is option C. Pineal gland. Next question. Where is cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, produced? A. Choroid plexus. B. Spinal cord. C. Cerebral cortex. D. Arachnoid villi. The correct answer is option A. Choroid plexus.